with his alluring voice and radiating stage presence. Let's pour our energy for Stan Linton!
Wish I could be here by the side. In the sun, in the sun. Why it's a difference? I look perfect creatures of attitude. Every time I see you, it's deja vu. 'Cause I keep falling for you. Baby, you're a blessing. I just gotta love you every day. Bring another magic. Make it feel some type of way. You got me saying baby, you're a classic. Classic, ooh. Hindi isko, tumakbo, walang ipasa. Kasama ka, so never I keep falling for you. Baby, you're a classic. I just gotta have you every day. Sprinkle up the magic. Make it live in some type of way. You got me saying it. Baby, you're a classic. Classic, ooh. Let's go! Falling for you. Baby, you're a classic. I just gotta have it every day. Sprinkle up the magic. Make it feel some type of way. You got me saying baby, you're a classic. Classic, ooh. What's up, Market? Thank you, W3. Thank you so much. Market, mag-ingay! Yung mga nasa likod, okay lang ba? Yung nasa second floor, kumusta? Third floor, mag-ingay! Magpapatalo ba yung nasa fourth floor? Ayun na dito sa harap, kumusta? 18, mag-ingay! Berries, mag-ingay! Ah, grabe. Dito sa gilid, okay? Dito sa kabila, okay? Grabe. Hindi ko po i-expect na ganito marami yung pupunta for today. For today's event. Actually, ito na po ang last stop ng aking book tour. And maraming salamat po sa lahat ng pupunta ngayon dahil hindi ko po i-expect na yung maraming salamat po. Yung song po na kinanta ko, ang title po nun ay Classic.